Sunny, grazie perché tu sei qui con me.
They say you can never go home again, but Michael and Culture Discovery proved everybody wrong. You can go home again, and 14 strangers are now family.
It was amazing, beyond expectation, more than I hoped for, and far too much to eat.
What's your favorite city you've been to so far?
Pietre?
The
one we went to yesterday.
In Tuscany.
Pienza.
Pienza.
Ah, what did you like best about Pienza?
Everything.
Yes,
Really?
so gorgeous.
Yeah, the
Yes.
building.
Has been one of the best adventures ever. What more can I say?
Beach is wonderful. It is beyond my wildest dreams. And I have some wild dreams.
We're only a couple of days in, so what's the best part so far?
The best part so far is sharing your country home and the kitchen and preparing and just knowing that I can do this.
Oh, wait, you don't like all these people?
I love these people! Whether they're old
Come on,
friends
Kim.
Old friends
or new friends. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Stella was so lovely.
Was it?
And sitting here,
And how was
outside having lunch. Just beautiful.
beautiful?
Well, let's see. We came last year and had a really good time, so we came back and had a fabulous time.
The week has been fantastic, and if you want to come, you need to not eat for 2 weeks before you come. We spend the entire week eating the meals, and then when we don't get fed every 2 hours, we start to panic. So, and the food has been fantastic. We've had a great old time.
Well, my favorite thing that we've eaten so far is the bready salad.
The panzanella.
Panzanella salad.
It's our new favorite city.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
What was your
No
favorite?
matter how tired you are, don't sleep in.
That's right. Don't miss it. Don't miss it.
You must go. What was your favorite thing about it?
Everything. It was
The
just
views were spectacular.
Yes. We had a wonderful lunch.
The houses were gorgeous. The flowers were incredible.
Flowers were beautiful.
Yes.
Probably the nicest flowers we've seen anywhere.
Yes.
Oh,
Really pretty.
that sounds great.
Yes.
And what about you? What brought you back to Italy? Everything. That's right.
No, Spartaco. I wasn't going to go there, but that was it.
Guess what? He's still single. He is like, he's like,
Wonderful. What does it taste like? The scenery's been spectacular. I just enjoyed that. The tours, the cooking, the tour guide, Sergio, the bus driver. Easier for all of us.
That when we were going to Maria Grazia's house for dinner, Spartaco told us if we didn't eat all her dinner, she'd be really offended and really upset, and we'd be taken down to the torture chamber and tortured. Spartaco was going to do the torturing. So I said, well, I like being tortured.
Campagna. Oh, I know your neighbors are so sweet, aren't they? And they always want to see everything. They stare. They want to know everything. They're so curious.
We've had some wonderful conversations.
Okay.
They speak Italian, we speak English, nobody understands what they're saying. We smile a lot.
Just do a lot of hand gestures. This a lot. Somebody will understand something eventually. This means, what do you want? The kid boy, do this for the video. Kid boy, exactly. This is my...
Keep the fingers together.
Yes, yes.
Beautiful. It's much more than I ever thought. It's wonderful.
Really? And the villa?
Oh, unbelievable. This is, what did they say? Bella.
Moon hits you all like a big pizza pie.
Was it better than you thought it was going to be? How much better?
Beyond imagination.
How was it?
This is the highlight of the next 15 years.
I want to hear you say it was was a highlight of the next 30 years.
Oh, okay. Oh, the next 30 years.
All right.
Can I come back 101?
It was great. And he even let me bring my own Mountain Dew.
You introduced Mountain Dew in Italy. Yeah.
And everybody was really nice to the token men.
Loved every minute of it.
But you know what? And he's not a token. He's the real deal.
Best food I've ever eaten in my life.
And I believed her.
Fantastic. And the best wine.
My fat pants are now snug.
I cannot go home and eat food. That's okay, I'm sure we can go shopping in Florence.
I've drunk way too much wine and ate way
I'll
too
help
much
you.
food.
I'll help you. Whatever you need. The two of us, two minds can be as
Suck it
one.
out.
You two are going to figure it out somehow. Because look at all this food you have to cook and eat tonight.
I can't believe it.
Woo!
How's your week been?
2 thumbs up.
Fantastico.
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday was the best meal that I ever had, but tonight is better. 3 times as good as the first night, which was unbelievable.
How've the cooking classes been?
Unbelievable, unbelievable. I learned so much. I hope my wife picked it up too, because my hand hurts and I can't peel anymore. But I'm looking forward to eating all of these wonderful meals.
Sonia, what do you say to that?
His cooking days are over. I know.
And Paula, thank you from all of us. Carol and Bill, thank you. We feel so honored to be here, that you opened your home in your hometown. And you created an experience for all of us and gave us the opportunity to meet lifelong friends and to take that experience away. You've enriched our lives. I'm gonna
cry.
You can't pay for that experience. It's magical, and the two of you are beautiful, wonderful people. And we thank you. This is for all of us.
Paul and Michael, we all want to thank you so much for an amazing week together. We tasted the experience and learned how incredible Italy is. Although this gift to you isn't huge, it is a gift of gratitude to you for opening your home and your hometown to all of us. We all walk away today taking a little piece of Italy with us, making a lifelong friendships all because of you. So may you look upon this gift. Look upon this gift with fondness, knowing that you changed the lives of all of us. We love you.
Paola, hold them.